Let me show you how to install Windows games on your Mac or MacBook. So we're going to be using Crossover, and you can get Crossover by going to the Code Weaver's website and download the Crossover application. I'm going to leave a link to this website down in the description. So click on download and then select where you want your download to be saved, and then just wait for the download process. With the download complete, navigate to the downloads folder and find your file. It's going to be called Crossover, and it's going to be a zip file. So double click on that zip file to extract it, and then you'll see the Crossover application. You want to double click on it. Now, as you're saying here, it's going to tell you that it needs to install Rosetta first. So make sure you accept the installation of Rosetta, which basically translates Intel-based applications to M1, M2, or Silicon-based architecture. Once that is downloaded, once that is installed, it's going to prompt you to move Crossover to the applications folder. Basically, it's going to prompt you to install that application. So go ahead and do that. Click on that and then click on open. Now it says check for updates automatically. You want to select yes. So check to allow it to check for updates automatically. Now, since we're not buying Crossover, we're going to click on try now. If you've already bought it, then it's going to ask for a code, which you will click on, and then it's going to allow you to basically enter the code for the paid version of Crossover. Now, at this point, you choose which client you want. All these are Windows clients like Epic Games, EA App. All these can install Windows games for you. Now, I'm going to choose Steam, right? You can choose the one you want. I've specifically chosen Steam, and I want to run Steam on top of Crossover to be able to install Steam Windows games on my Mac. So allow Steam to get downloaded. Like I said, you could have chosen anyone that you wanted. You could have chosen Epic Games, EA App, depending on which Windows game you want to install. Now let's wait for Steam to get installed. Of course, there's going to be user license agreement that you need to agree to. So read and click on yes, and then it's going to proceed with the installation. Then it's going to prompt you to install Microsoft Visual C++, and now you're starting to see that you're getting into the Microsoft ecosystem inside Crossover. So allow that, and then you might also be prompted to install a much later version of Visual C++. So go ahead and agree, and then click on install. Make sure you install all this stuff so that you can have all the games running the way you want them to run. And then it says welcome to Steam setup. So go ahead and click on install. You can see it's giving you a fake Windows directory. So just ignore that and click on install. And then click on finish. And now it should launch Steam. Might take a while, so just be patient as it updates Steam to the latest version. And now after the updates, Steam will launch, and now you simply need to sign in to Steam with your Steam account. And once you sign in, you will see your normal Steam account, the one you've been using on Windows, and all the games that will be available to you on a Windows computer will be available to you here. Now, I must say that not all games are going to work properly. I'm going to be testing a few, so make sure you get subscribed so you can get to see some of the games I'll test and how they'll perform on the M4 Mac Mini. And also for some, I'm going to do it on the new MacBook Neo. All right. So that is basically how to get Windows games on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.